Hey guys, how you doing? So welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. So we are in a kayak fishing today here in Awaji Island. Actually, I'm at a different place today. Today we are at the west side of Awaji Island, and where I usually go fishing is the opposite side, the east side of the island. It's pretty quiet here. The ocean is pretty calm. It's perfect condition for kayak fishing today. So anyway, it's been about a half year to come back here. So I just wanted to check that out. How's it going with those spots here in the west side of Awaji Island. Hopefully I can get some snapper or something. So let's go. You know, this area is pretty shallow. That's the reason why I don't come here so often. Now it's about 500 meters away from the shore, and it's still 7.4, 7.5 meters of the water depth. You know, I've been too lazy these days for fishing. I've been depending too much on my motorboat, so I feel like my body's got a little dull. That's why I'm taking my kayak today. Good exercise, you know, so my body needs to be worked out. And plus, this is actually the best part of the kayak fishing, is that, you know, I feel like I'm a part of the nature. So I'm paddling to the spots using only my physical power, not the motor power. So the value of one fish that I catch is much higher than fishing on the motorboat. It's like, you know, oh yeah, this is my fish. This is what I caught on my own power. Something like that. So sometimes I feel like fishing on a motorboat is kind of cheating. Not cheating, but comparing to kayak fishing, you know. You know, this view is awesome. I really like it here. It's calm and quiet. It's got a little different mood compared with the east side of the island. Here's much calmer and more peaceful, but less fish. Okay, it's still 7.8 meters, quite shallow. I don't know if there's any fish. There's a little signal on my fish finder though. I don't know. Let's see. Hey, so can you see those yellow buoys occupying all over the places? These are actually seaweed nets. So every year here in Awaji Island from fall to spring, those seaweed nets are set up and they are growing one of the seaweeds called nori. You know, the black little piece of paper kind of looking thing. You might have seen the thing, you know, wrapped in sushi. That's nori, one of the seaweed. And Awaji Island is actually one of the best nori producing places in Japan. So from fall to spring, we have to avoid those seaweed nets when we fish. Fish on! But it's very, very small. Very, very small. Hey! Fugu! It's a blowfish. Blowfish! I don't need you. Fish on! Finally! What's this? Whoa! Huge! Huge blowfish! Alright. You wanna see huge blowfish. 잡아볼까? 네. It's actually a poisonous fish, so it's edible, but we have to remove all the poison it's got, so need license to cook this fish. It's a blowfish. It's really tasty. but I cannot cook it. Otherwise, I make my family die. Alright, goodbye. Well, I couldn't get any edible fish today, but that's okay. See you next time. Bye.